good morning to one and all children. Sai Ram. This is our EVS period. This EVS period, we are going to write the question answers of chapter number 6. The clothes we wear. Right? Last session, we had done the textual questions. Do you all remember, children? Okay. This time we are going to write in the notebook. Have you kept the notebooks ready with you, children? Yes? Okay. Shall we start, children? Okay. Chapter number 6. The clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Now, all of you open your EVS notebook, book number 4. All of you open your book number 4, children. Yes. Open book number 4. Book number 4. Yes. Did you all open book number 4? Okay, children. Okay. Now, in the index, you will write, what you will write? Date and lesson number 6. Date and lesson number 6. Over? Okay. Now, take a new page, children, all of you. Fresh page, all of you take a fresh page. Write today's date 14-8-20. 14-8-20. Lesson number 6. You will write touching the red line. Lesson number 6. The next line, the first line you will write hard words. Hard words. See, last time also we had done in the notebook. So I think now you should be familiar with the notebook. How to write. Correct, children? Okay. Hard words. Have you all written that? Heading, lesson number 6. The next line you will write hard words. Shall we start with the hard words, children? Yes? Be ready. Okay. Now, number 1. Frock. Number 1. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Number 2. Sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater. Yes, are you able to get me, children? Okay. Number 3. Shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts. Cap. Number 4. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Number 5. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. These are the different types of clothes. Do you remember, children? Yes. Now we have completed how many words? 5 words. Frock, sweater, shorts, cap, shirt. Right, children? Very good. You all are smart children, right? Okay. Shall we go to the next word? Number 6. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Number 7. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. We wear clothes to cover our body. You remember that sentence, children? Yes? Okay. 9th word. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. protect. Heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Number 11, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Number 12, cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Now in all, how many words you have written now so far? 12 words, my God. Frock, sweater, shorts, cap, shirt, clothes, body, protect, heat, warm, cold. Now comes the 13th. Cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. 14. Woolen, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Number 15. Rains, R-A-I-N-S, rains. Number 16. Umbrellas, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S, umbrellas. 17. Raincoats, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T-S, raincoats. Different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. 19th. Wear, W-E-A-R, wear. So total how many words? 19 words. Yes, children? Shall I repeat now again from 13th? Cotton, woolen, rains, umbrellas, raincoats, different, wear. We carry umbrella, no? When it rains? Yes, children? Yes. Now total 19 words you'll have to learn by heart. Yes? Okay. Now next what you all are going to do? You all are going to write these words 3 times. Every word, each word 3 times in book number 9. I am going to come and check whether you are writing or not. Yes, children? Are you writing in the notebook? Book number 9? Yes? Okay, children, please write these words 3 times. Then only you can learn the spellings. So, we have done with the hard words. Right? Now, let us come to the question answers. We will come to the question answers. Now, again you will take a fresh page. You will not continue in the same page. You will take a fresh page. Write date. Again you will write 14-8-20. Remember to write date. Whenever you start writing anything in the notebook, you should first write the date. Lesson number 6. You will write touching the red line. And the first line you will write the name of the chapter, the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Are you able to get me, children? Am I going fast? Yes? Okay. Have you finished writing lesson number 6? The clothes we wear? Yes? Shall we go to the main question? Yes, children? Yes or no? I am not able to hear you. Yes, no? Okay. First question number 1. Again it will be Roman 1. Roman 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Which clothes keep us cool? Cotton. So you will underline. You will underline cotton. You will underline cotton. Which you will underline? Which you will underline? Cotton. Where is cotton? S. You will underline cotton. You will underline cotton. Okay? Now, finish children? Okay. Now, let us go to the next one. Next one, number 2. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. So here you will underline woolen. You will underline woolen. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. That is number 2. Number 1, cotton clothes keep us cool. Number 2, woolen clothes keep us warm. Now, let us come to number 3. When it rains, we carry umbrellas or wear raincoats. So, here you will underline umbrellas and raincoats. You will underline umbrellas and raincoats. When it rains, we carry umbrellas or wear raincoats, right? To keep yourself dry. Yes, children? Over? So, we have completed 3 fill in the blanks. Now, let us go to the 4th one. We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Yes? So first one what? Cotton clothes keep us cool. Woolen clothes keep us warm. When it rains, we carry umbrellas or raincoats. We wear clothes to cover our body. So we have in all how many fill in the blanks? 4. Are you getting me, children? Okay. Now, let us go to the question and answers. Again, take a new page, a fresh page. Have you taken a new page? Okay. There you write question 2. That is Roman 2. Answer the following. Answer the following. Question 1. Write in the margin. Which clothes do you wear when it is hot? Tell me, children, which clothes do you wear when it is hot? Which clothes do you wear? First write the question. Which clothes do you wear when it is hot? Over? Yes? Shall we see the answer? We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. Answer you will write in the margin. ANS answer. Then you will write the answer. Question 1 in the margin. ANS short form of answer in the margin. Then you will write the answer. We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. Shall I repeat the question again? Which clothes do you wear when it is hot? We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. This is the first question. So I have told you after every question you will leave one line. You will write the question, write the answer. After the answer you will leave one line. So shall we go to the second question, children? Question 2. Which clothes keep us warm in winter? Which clothes keep us warm in winter? Which clothes keep us warm in winter? What is the answer? Do you know the answer? I think you all may be knowing the answer now. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. See, that is the reason why you will have to learn the spellings by heart. See, if you have to write the answer, you should know the spelling of woolen, cotton, right? Then only you will be able to write the answer. Okay, children? So, please write those words which I have given you three times and learn it by heart. So, what the second question? Which clothes keep us warm in winter? Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. What's the first question? Which clothes do you wear when it is hot? We wear cotton clothes when it is hot. Question 2. Which clothes keep us warm in winter? Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. So we have seen 2 question answers. Okay, children? Now let us go to the third one. Again, for the third question, take a new page. Don't continue in the same page. Take a fresh page. Yes, children? Okay. Then only it will look neat. Now, question 3 in the margin. What do we carry with us when it rains? What do we carry with us when it rains, children? Tell me the answer fast. I want the answer from you. I am waiting to get the answer. Will you be able to tell me the answer? Or shall I tell you? Okay, I'll tell you the answer. Right? Answer. When it rains, we carry umbrellas or raincoats with us. When it rains, we carry umbrellas or raincoats with us. What is question 3? What do we carry with us when it rains? When it rains, we carry umbrellas or raincoats with us. So in all, there are 3 question answers in this lesson. Yes, children? How many question answers? 3. So you'll have to learn all these question answers by heart. The answers you should learn it by heart. For this you need to learn the spellings. See, of woolen, cotton, umbrellas, raincoat, clothes. These spelling you should know. Then only you will be able to write the answer. So very simple, children. See, now itself I have repeated these answers 3 times. So by this time it should be clear to you. Right? Just daily you keep writing. Practice. Write in the book number 9. Okay? At least twice you write the answers. Then you will not forget. Okay, children? Yes? Did you all enjoy writing? Or your hands are paining? Yes? Hands are paining? We'll write again now. Few more questions. Are you ready? Or shall I stop now? Shall I stop? Okay. Now we'll have again few riddles. You all are feeling very tired, no? So keep your pencils down. Keep your erasers down. Close the book and sit straight. Look at the screen, all of you. I want a smiling face from you all. All of you smile, children. Yes? Okay. We'll have some fun. We'll see some riddles. See, last time also I had shown you. I think you all enjoyed, right? It is time for riddles. These riddles are based on your chapters only. Okay. It is some simple questions which you will be able to answer. And every question, that is riddle, is followed by a picture also. Right? Which will be very interesting. Now you will feel relaxed after seeing these riddles. Okay, you are going to answer. I am not going to tell you. It is time for riddles. The first one, I am yellow. Peel off my skin before you eat me. Who am I? Tell me. Before you eat, you peel off the skin. Who am I? You cannot eat that with the skin only. Can you guess which fruit is that? Yellow with the skin. You have to peel off the skin. Banana. Which is that? Banana. See, banana can be green and yellow also. Here I have mentioned yellow. Okay. Okay. Now shall we go to the next one, children? I am a vegetable. I am long and orange. Who am I? I am a vegetable. Remember, I am a vegetable. I am long and orange in color. Who am I? You all like to eat that. You can eat even raw. You put it in the salad also. Cut and eat. What it is? Your mummy makes halwa also of that. What it is, children? Carrot. Right? Do you all eat carrot halwa? Your mummy makes, no? Okay. Yummy, yummy. Well, let us go to the next one. Third one. I am a vegetable. People cry when they cut me. Who am I? I am a vegetable. People cry when they cut me. Who am I? When you cut that vegetable, water starts flowing from your eyes. Which vegetable is that? Onion. Onion. See the picture? So lovely picture of onion. Yes, children? Okay. Now the next one. I am white. You can drink me. I come from a cow. You all drink early in the morning. I know before you come to school, you drink this. What it is? I come from a cow. What it is? Milk. Right, children? See, there's a cup of milk. You want to drink? You can drink from here. Yes? Okay. Now let us go to the next one. I am a vegetable. I am brown, round and small. Who am I? I am a vegetable. I am brown, round and small. Who am I? Most of the children like this vegetable. Your mummy makes paratha with this. Which vegetable it is? Tell me, close your eyes. Let us see what it is. Potato. Which vegetable is this? Potato. Which vegetable? Potato. Yes? Over? Yes, children? Yes or no? So, now, one more is there. See, I am a vegetable. I am round and red in color. Who am I? I am a vegetable. I am round and red in color. Who am I? This also you can eat raw. You cut it and eat. You put it in the salad also. What it is? Yes. Tomato. Tomato. Red tomato. Juicy tomato. Right? You all like tomato? Tomato ketchup, tomato jam, tomato sauce. Right? You all like that, children? So did you all like this riddles? Did you all enjoy? It was quite informative. Right, children? Yes? Did you all enjoy this? Next time again we'll have few more riddles. Okay? Now children, again I am telling you, please learn the spellings by heart. Write and learn the spellings. Okay? Next time I am going to ask you all the spellings now. Yes? Have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye bye. See you.